Hey, I'm going to be filming 60 strategies by 60 channels in 60 days. The second strategy is brought to us by Casino Quest. It's called the Triple Lux. Please stay tuned and see how it works. Hey, my name is Joe and this is my Craftsmaster journey. Let's make it yours too. Okay, with the Triple Lux strategy, it's brought out again, like I said, by Casino Quest. It was made in December of 2019. The video is pulling over 42,000 views at this time. The title of the video was originally How I Made $24,000 Plus Playing Craps, the Triple Lux Craps System Part 1. And he goes with $10 units in the video, I believe. And what this video actually does is it goes through and it talks about the Triple Lux strategy and how it actually works. So basically what he does is he does $10 units. He does $10 on a 4, $10 on a 5, $10 or 12 on a 6, 12 on a 8, 10 on a 9, and we go $10 on the 10. We put our caps at $2 on the 6 and 8, so that way everything would be set up. If you would ask for this on the table, you're asking for 64 across. So that's what 64 across looks like. Also in the strategy, he does not do a pass or don't pass bets. So basically what we're doing is all the bets on the table right now are off until there is a point that is determined. So let's say the point is a 10. And again, for this strategy, it doesn't really matter what the point is, because what you're doing is you're power pressing each one of these numbers as they hit for at least 3 times before you actually collect on that. Okay, so to make this simpler, I'm just going to turn the puck off right now. I'm going to show you how the power pressing works, and we're going to pull the 5, 6, and 4, 5, and 6 off of the table right now, simply because when I show you how the 8 power presses, it's the same exact thing for the 6. When I show you how the 9 power presses, it's the same exact thing for that 5. And when I show you how the 10 power presses, again, same exact thing for that 4. So let's start off with the 8. With the 8, this $12 here is going to pay us $14. So with that, what we're going to do is we're going to add in another $10, and we're going to power press it up to $36. So if you do the math on this, this is all going to be $36. You got 10, 20, 30, 4, 5, and 6. So let's change this in for a nickel, and change that in for a quarter. We got $36 here. Okay, so that would be our first power press. We're going $12 makes $14, and we're going to add in $10 and bring it up to 36. Okay, so if this 36 hits now, what 36 is going to do is it's going to pay you out $42. Okay, so 36 hits, it pays out $42. Okay, so if you look at that, that's what we're going to be starting off with. And we're going to actually press that immediately up to $78. That should make it a whole bet. So we got 50, 75, so we're going to change this in for a quarter, and 78. Okay, so that is our next level, our second level of betting. Now if the 78 hits, what's going to happen is we're going to get paid out $91. 75, 85, 90, and 91. Okay. This is where we actually take a collection. So this is the first time we're actually going to collect. So if that's a third hit here, we're going to collect it and just put it right into our rack. Okay, so that's where the Triple Lux comes from. You go 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 hit, and collect. And then from here, you can either stay at that level if you want to keep on collecting and collecting $91 at a time, Or what you could do is you can power press that up to further levels. And that's something that we could probably cover in a different video should we go forward. When we look at the 9, or the 5 for that matter, our $10 here is also going to pay us out $14 should that hit. I'm going to take the 8 down to get that out of the way so we're not confused at all. So we're looking at the 9 right now. $10 pays out $14. Our next level is going to be going up to $25. So we're going to take $1 out of our rack, and we're going to bring this up to a $25 bet. So you have 2, 4, that's 20. And we have 5 singles, that makes it 25. So change it in for a quarter. Okay, so that was the first hit, going from that $10 up to $25. Our second hit, this $25 here, is going to pay us out $35. So if that 25 hits, we get paid out $35. So what we're going to do here now is we're going to actually just put all that right back up. So we're going to go from a $25 bet up to a $60 bet. That's the second level of our pressing. Okay, if that $60 hits, what we're going to do is we're going to actually earn $84. So it's 75, 80, and 84. So since this is our third hit, at $84 is going to be a collection point. Again, the third hit, all the time we collect. And that's going to give us the option now just to leave this $60 up here and just keep on collecting our $84 at a time, or do we want to power press? And again, that's going to be a thing of a future strategy that we might come out with. So that was the 9. We go from $10 to $25 to $60 and then start collecting. So we're going to take this off so we don't get confused. Our last number that we're going to do is the 10. So that's where we would triple X or power press that 10. So the $10 that it's on the 10 will pay out $18 if it should hit the first time. And what we're going to do is we're going to take $2, we're going to add that in, and we're going to power press it right up to $30. So we got 10, we got 20, and we got 30. So let's get a quarter out here and make that look like 30. Okay, so that was the first hit. Our second hit now at $30, should that hit, that is actually a buy bet. So we're buying at anything over $20 there. So that $30 is actually going to get paid out $60, and that's for a $1 vig. So we throw that $1 out there and we would get paid out 60 bucks. $1 goes to the bank. Okay, and what that's going to allow us to do is it's going to bring us up to a $90 bet. So we have $75, $85, $90 on that 10. Again, that is a buy bet. Keep in mind that some casinos charge you the vig ahead of time. Some charge only at the time of winning it. The casino that I play at actually charges you when you make the bet. So, and a good way to think about this is you pay out $1 for every $20 that's out on that bet. So right now we have $90, and that will cost us approximately a $4 vig. So I'm going to put a 5 out there, take 1 back. So now my vig is paid for. Vig is basically short term for vigorish, or it's a 5% commission that the casino has in order to make the bet a little bit more favorable in their side of things. Okay, again, $90 on there. Should that hit, this is our third hit, that's going to pay out $180. So we got 100, 175, $180. Okay, and again, what we're going to do with this is our $180 that we collect, we can collect it, put it right in our rack. And then after that third hit, what will happen is we can increase the power, keep on pressing the 10 if we want, or we can just keep it right there and keep on collecting 180 at a time. Okay. Should that hit also, again, remember we'll have to pay another vig on that bet. So that's basically, in a nutshell, how the Triple Lux power pressing system works, and how it was explained to us by Casino Quest back in 2019. So let's do a quick rollout on it. I'm just gonna clean my tray up here a little bit so that way we can have a little bit of playing room, and I'll see. We'll roll it out and see how it works, and what a practical application is for the system. So again, like I said, we have no pass or don't pass bets. We're going to be coming out here, and we have a 5-3-8. 5-3-8 is our point. So the puck will be on the 8. And what we're going to do is we're going to go 64 across. That's 2 bets on 2 units on a 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10. And let's put our caps out here on the 6, $2, and on the 8. Okay, and then from here, what we're going to do is we're going to start doing our pressing, our power pressing techniques. So the next roll is a 6, 4, 10. Okay, that $10 is going to pay out $18. And we would add $2 into that. Again, I'm pretending I have money in my rack here. I'm just taking out the bankroll because I don't have a starting bankroll. So we'll add $2 in. Now bring it up to a $30 bet. And let's make that look like $30. And I'm just going to put a couple dollars in my rack just to make it look like I'm doing it legitimate here. Okay. And so level 10 is on the second hit. We have a 5, 4, 9. Again, that's going to pay out $14. And on that 9, we're going to actually add in $1. And we're going to make that look like 25. That's 20 and 25. Okay, and dice out. We have a 5, 1, 6. Wow, we went right down the line here, guys. Right down the line. So that's 6 going to pay out $21. And what we're going to do is we're going to add in $10. And we're going to try to make this bet look like a 36. So you got 10, 20, 30. Oh, I paid it out wrong. I'm sorry, guys. Here, I was totally wrong on that. Something didn't add up right here, guys. Okay. So what happens is that $12, I took it as 18. That $12 on there is actually going to pay out $14. There you go. That looks right. And what we do is we add in $10, and we're going to make that look like 36. That's 10, 20, 30, 33, 34, 35, 36. So let's make that look like 36. And that's 25 right there. There we go. That's much better. I apologize for that, guys. Okay, and dice out. So we have a 2, 1, 3 that does nothing for our strategy. And we have a 5, 1, 6. So we're back on that 6. Perfect. So that $36 there is going to pay out $42. Okay, and what we're going to do with that then is we are going to bring that right up to $78. So that should be $78 that's on the table right now. So that's 50. And there's a quarter. So it's $75, $78. So now the next time we hit that 6, we're actually going to collect on that money. Dice out. And we have a 6, 2, 8. Okay, again, that $12, and that would be our point, guys. But that $12 is going to pay out $14. And again, we're going to add in $10. I don't have enough in my rack, so I'm just going to take it from the bank here. We're going to add in $10 on that, and we're going to bring that right up to $36. So we have 10, 20, 30, and 36. Okay, and let's make this look like 36 on the table. Okay, so that's at $36. Again, the point was hit, so the puck is off. All of our bets at the current moment are going to be turned off for right now. So dice out, we're looking for a point. And we have a 6, 5, 11. That does nothing. And we have a 6, 4, 10. So the point is going to be 10. Again, all of our bets were turned off, so that we don't get paid out anything for that right now. So now we're going to be looking to hit some of these numbers and hopefully get up to that third level so that we can get paid. And we don't do that at this time. So we have 5, 2, 7. So that will clear off everything on the board. So hopefully you get the idea of how the triple X system works. Again, what we're doing is we're going to be pressing it up 3 times. Actually 2 times. And the third time is actually a collection point. And then past that third hit, if you want to power press, keep on going up. It only takes 1 or 2 or 3 times to get up to the table max past that one bet there. So for example, you know, if we had an $18, I'll save that for a different video. Hey, my name is Joe, and this is my Craps Master journey. Let's make it yours too.